Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that is not what will make you happy. What will make you happy is to share all the love you have inside of you. That is the love that will make the difference. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 14, NASDAQ off 6, S&P's down 3, gold contract flat at $11.33 an ounce, silver down a penny at $16.01 an ounce, platinum down $5 at $9.17 an ounce. You got copper off a penny at $2.49 a pound. Light sweet crude down 72 cents, trading at $52.58 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 7 ticks, 123.11. 30-year bond up 21 ticks, 149.02. Both the notes and the bonds continue to try to get off these lows. King dollar down 298 ticks, traded at 102.990. What you had with King dollar is this. King dollar tested its high yesterday, had light volume, didn't hold price. Bottom line, back down today. Guess what? Dramatically lighter volume. We are on holiday trading, no doubt, in a big way, folks. But the bottom line is that that is saying that King dollar does not necessarily have to do a correction right at this particular point. The euro is at $1.04, and the yen is trading at 117.50. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, what do you have? Okay, so we got a flat market out here. The cash market is laying out here at 22.68. Your high in the cash is 22.77. Bottom line, sideways move. When you talk about anemic volume, the holidays have started early, folks. We're only at 399 million shares right now in the NYSE, and we take a look at the NASDAQ composite. The composite, you're at 1 billion. Bottom line, so light volume right across all the indices. We go over to the Dow Industrials. The Dow Industrials has been trying to tag the 20,000 level. Got close yesterday, got close today. Yeah, yesterday you got to 19,987. Today you got to 19,986. Bottom line, I expect before this new year, it will tag it. When you get that year within 13 points, it's not going to take much to tag it. What you had out here today, Nike came out with numbers. Nike was up 1.5 points, but that was for about a slight second at the open. And so inside the Dow stocks, there wasn't a lot of help in order to get it there. You had Merck bringing the Dow down. You had Pfizer bringing it down. Boeing was trying to get it up, but not enough in order to get it up to that price point. NASDAQ composite, what do we have with the composite? The composite has continued to fail on price and volume. Sideways move out here today. Bottom line, we've been in the same place right now since the 13th of December inside the composite. Inside the NDX 100, that is set up the exact same way. Sideways move, 49.52. Bottom line, it's not saying much. We take a look at if you want to see the anemic volume out here, the SPYs, folks, have done 42 million shares. Bottom line, that's in comparison to 142 million. The Qs out here, you're dealing with the Qs are a trip. The NDX 100, folks, the Qs have a problem. We've done 5 million shares here. I mean, I can make the case it was trying to get into the highs of yesterday. The high of yesterday was 120.77. High today, 120.68. Really, you get a sideways move. That's what it really comes down to. That being said, what we do have inside that sideways move in the last 5 days, on the 16th, you had action on the way down. That's the bottom line. It couldn't get up into higher price, and I don't expect we're going to get into higher price inside the NDX 100 nor the NASDAQ composite. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here. Sideways move also. The low out here today was 1131. The high is 1138. You did 106 million contracts. Now, what we had out here yesterday and today, you're backing into the December 15th area where you had huge contract volume. We did 282,000 contracts, and we hit a low of 1124. Yesterday what you end up doing, a rejected lower price. We did 146,000 contracts. Today you did 106. So in that context, that is a good test of lows. Now what the gold contract needs is a sign of strength, meaning that you have buyers. It's showing that the sellers are gone, but guess what? You need buyers to get the higher price. We're going to take a look at the silver contract. So silver out here is trading at a price point of $16.02. Silver also come down yesterday, rejected lower price, had lighter volume. What we had is that the low in silver on the 15th of December was $15.92. We had done 106,000 contracts. Yesterday, you got down to a low of $15.67. You did 58,000 contracts, and you rejected lower price. Now, today what we've done is this. You got a little higher than yesterday. You did 43,000 contracts, and you're basically laying at the 1602. What I would have loved to see is that it would be laying at 1616 versus 1602. You can make the case that, yeah, you get a small expansion of volume on the way up, but bottom line, there's no follow-through in that whole metal area right now. Notes, we got the 10-year note. What do you have with the notes? Notes out here, TY7. Okay, so the notes, we've done 454,000 contracts today, which is light. It's holding price, which, in itself is good. Bottom line, the 10-year has to get back inside the 123.30, and right now you're at 123.11. The 30-year did have some good price movement out here today. The 30-year came back down to the 148.04. It rejected lower price once again, finished near the top of its range. 30-year, looks like the sellers are gone. We just need buyers now. Kind of like better looking than the gold contract, that's for sure. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? Okay, so King Dollar, this is how it's shaking out. What we had out here yesterday, King Dollar got over the high of last week, over the high of December 15th. We did it yesterday with 29,000 contracts versus 80. We're pulling back today, but not enough volume, only 20,000, so that's not saying anything. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.
If you